Java, the central and most populous island in Indonesia, is a vibrant and culturally rich region that serves as the country's economic, political and cultural heart. Home to the capital city, Jakarta, Java boasts a diverse landscape ranging from bustling urban centres to serene rural areas. Jakarta, a sprawling metropolis on the northwest coast of Java, is not only the nation's capital but also a dynamic hub of commerce, education and entertainment. With its mix of modern skyscrapers and historical landmarks, Jakarta reflects the intricate blend of tradition and progress that characterises Indonesia as a whole. The island of Java is renowned for its ancient temples such as Borobudur and Prambanan, which stand as testaments to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Additionally, Java is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages and traditions, making it a captivating destination that showcases the diverse tapestry of Indonesian life. Indonesia is positioned to emerge as one of the next significant economies on the global stage, with a combination of strategic geographical location, a vast and diverse population, and abundant natural resources. As the world continues to shift focus towards the Asia-Pacific region, Indonesia's burgeoning consumer market, expanding middle class, and a young, tech-savvy population contribute to its economic potential. With ongoing developments and a commitment to sustainable growth, Indonesia is well positioned to capitalize on its economic potential and play a significant role in shaping the future of the world economy. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel.